Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 7 steps for successfully passing a car. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pass a car while driving in 7 simple steps. Let's start off by telling you the steps and then I'll demonstrate them momentarily. Step number 1 is determine if you are allowed to do it. So determine if it's legal to pass a car or switch lanes where you are driving. Step number 2 is determine if it's safe to do so. You want to make sure that it's safe. You want to look in front of your car, behind your car. Make sure that you have a good view. Make sure that the road conditions are good for passing a car and so forth. Step number 3 is signal. Check your rear view mirror, check your side mirror, check your side blind spot. You're going to check your side mirrors and blind spots for the side that you're switching towards. So if you're switching to your right lane, you're going to do that on the right. Switching to the left lane, you're going to do that on the left. Generally speaking, people pass on the left, but that's just a general way of thinking. That is not a legality everywhere, but it might be where you live, so be sure to look into it. Step number 4 is actually maneuver the car to switch the lanes. Step number 5, accelerate. Step number 6, switch back. So you want to signal rear view mirror, side blind spot. Step number 7 is actually maneuver the switch back. All right, so I hope that wasn't too confusing, but let's go ahead and demonstrate it. It will be much easier when I demonstrate it. I'm actually just gonna go on to this road over here and we're gonna drive and we are going to pass a car. All right, so I'm driving in the right lane over here. Now, like I said, step number 1 is determine if you are allowed to do so, so if it's legal and if you're allowed to pass that car. I've determined that I am allowed to pass the car. There's actually a person pulling over right here. I'm just gonna go around them. I don't know why you pull over on the main road. It's not really what you're supposed to do, but it's okay. Back to business. Step number 1, make sure that you're allowed to do it. I am allowed, I know that on this street. Step number 2, make sure that it is safe to do it. It is safe. I can see way up ahead. I can see way behind me. Road conditions are pretty good. No significant curves in the road. I know that it's safe to do so. Step number 3 is to go over the safety checks for changing lanes. Now that is signal, check your rear view mirror, check your side mirror, check your side blind spot. So I'm switching lanes to the left. So I'm going to signal left, check my rear view mirror, check my left side mirror, check my left blind spot. Once I've done all of those things, step number 4 is actually going to be to switch lanes to the left. I'm approaching a red light though, so I'm going to stop and we're going to go over steps 3 and 4 momentarily, which are the safety checks and then switching lanes. The light is going to turn green right now. Let's boogie. Okay, so we're driving. Like I said, we've already done steps 1 and 2, which is see if you are allowed to do it, see if it is safe to do so. Step number 3, signal left, check my rear view mirror, check my left side mirror, check my left blind spot. Step number 4, maneuver into the left lane, or switch lanes, I should say. Step number 5, accelerate. So I'm accelerating to pass this car right over here. Step number 6, safety checks back. So right signal, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Step number 7, steer back into the original lane, straighten the car out. And that's it. Those are the 7 steps for successfully passing a car. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate it again, and I'm just going to give you a few tips at the end. Now I'm not going to be saying what each step entails. I'm just going to be saying step 1, 2, and so forth, so as to not confuse you anymore. So follow what I'm doing right here. Step 1, I'm allowed to change lanes. It's legal. Step 2, it's safe to change lanes. Step 3, doing all of my safety checks. So I'm putting my left signal on, rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. Step 4, switching lanes. Step 5, accelerating in this new lane. Step 6, put my safety checks on again, signal rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Step 7, switch lanes back to the right. We have passed another car just so easily. Now, I will tell you, steps 1 and 2 are by far the most important. You got to make sure that you are allowed to do it, because if you're not allowed to change lanes, if it's not legal, then there's got to be a good reason behind it. It's as simple as that. So steps 1 and 2 are by far the most important, because you should be allowed to do it and it should be safe to do so. If you're switching lanes and it's like icy roads, you're trying to pass a car, not a great idea. It's as simple as that. So that's basically it. That is how to successfully pass a car in 7 easy steps. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.